Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about, or I'm going to show you how you can edit or set up your Typeform. So when you have some of your questionnaires already prepared, for example, I created 3, and also I have to say that we are running the free version. So if you want to try Typeform for yourselves, you can easily do it what I'm doing right now. So we are adding or entering into our Typeform questionnaire that we created before. And as you can see, we already have some picture set up. But let's say in the second one, where you are actually giving in a phone number, we have this image very weirdly. So how we can change it? On the right side, where you are basically setting your phone number or the option that you want to run with in this particular scenario, in this case it's a phone number. Then we have the country of the recipient, let's say, or the phone number, and then we have layouts. In these layouts we can, as you can see, easily change it. So we have, let's go with this one then. So we have on the left side basically the question or the need view to actually insert the phone number and then the phone number itself. On the right side we have the image if we want to like freshen up and we don't want to look it also robotic. And then we can also change multiple layouts. As you can see, this doesn't work at all. So let's stick with this one. Then we have a focal point, basically where you want to reach with the photo, and also the brightness that you can basically set up. But I believe you don't have to worry about it at all. And alternative text, like this, for example. But this won't be needed. And that's about it. As you can see, you can close the sidebars, also check the design for the themes gallery or add a new themes. But that's how easily you can edit all the photos in your Typeform. So if you have more questions about how to work in Typeform and many more, please leave them under in this video. Thanks for watching guys, and see you in the next video. Have a great day.